Videos are the most loved form of content nowadays, and everyone wants to look into a video for anything they want to learn or know about. And if you're planning to hop into this culture, then this is the right time to get started. But how can you monetize the videos? If you've been familiar with YouTubers earning through ads, you must have also known their restrictions in approving a YouTuber to their monetizing platform, which currently goes by a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. Unfortunately, if your videos are for a specific niche with a restricted audience, this criteria is an overkill. But YouTube isn't the only platform for video monetization, and in this video, we'll discuss one of the leading video monetization platforms, Uscreen. Uscreen is a powerful video hosting platform, or more, as a video on demand service. You can use Uscreen to upload your videos and distribute your content online effortlessly. By helping you monetize your videos, Uscreen might be the right platform for you to get started with your niche video content or your new online course. There are a ton of features available with Uscreen, and we'll cover some of the popular ones in this video. Uscreen is a complete CMS for videos, something like how WordPress is for building different types of websites. Uscreen lets you upload and distribute your videos online. While uploading videos can be done in a Swift, Uscreen also ensures that you can resume your video upload progress from where you left, just in case, if you had skipped the page or went offline for obvious reasons. Just drag and drop your video or use Dropbox to upload. You can even upload PDFs and workbooks to the built-in video hosting of Uscreen, to make it a complete collection and distribute your content as an online course or entertainment platform. As a complete CMS, Uscreen lets you tag your uploaded videos with categories, custom filters, and optimize your videos for search engines, to help your videos get more visibility in search results. Uscreen makes it easy to upload, distribute, and even monetize your video content effortlessly. With Uscreen, you can monetize your videos by subscription, let users access your video content with a recurring fee. Pay-per-view, let users pay a one-time fee for your video content. Free trial, allow your users to access your video content for a limited time for free. Rentals, you can charge your users access to your video for a limited time. Bundles, sell access to a bundle of content with a one-time fee, a rental, or even as a freebie to capture leads. Lifetime, give your users lifetime access to your content with a one-time fee. Bundles can be created easily inside your Uscreen dashboard by navigating to the bundles section, which lets you access the different types of bundles available. Similarly, you can create a subscription of your choice in Uscreen dashboard with your customizations. Head over to the subscription menu and click Create a Plan. You will find a number of options available to create your custom plan. Uscreen is a full-featured platform to live stream your videos at the click of a button, and when you're going live, you can push a notification to your subscribers and let them access your live video. And even more, you can interact with your audience live to build more engagement around your content. Uscreen lets you launch your OTT app within its powerful user interface without having to get your hands actually on coding. Dedicated OTT apps are known for higher engagement among the audience, and this could result in an increase in sales. To build your own app, just navigate to the distribution menu inside your Uscreen dashboard and request a native app for iOS, Android, Roku, or any available platform, and the Uscreen team will deliver your custom app just within 30 days. The video CMS has got more marketing and automation tools to it, to help you get your brand word out. Offering coupon codes, gift cards, free trials are all easy to manage and deliver them your audience to get more revenue. You can easily build an automation workflow to send an email campaign to your abandoned carts and encourage your customers to resume their incomplete cart and fulfill their orders. Just head over to the marketing menu inside your Uscreen dashboard and you'll find plenty of marketing toolkits inside. Videos are known to be a heavy load on bandwidth, and even a slight glitch or downtime on your video hosting can disturb the experience of your audience and you'll never see them again. To give your audience the best user experience, Uscreen ensures that your videos are monitored 24/7 for smooth running and for a stable delivery with a 99.99% uptime. Plus, all your payment checkout are secured with SSL encryption so that all the data passed between Uscreen web servers and your clients will remain integral and private. Uscreen accepts payments through credit cards and debit cards, but you can also connect with Stripe or PayPal or Authorize.net to get your payment processed. Uscreen has got 3 membership plans to subscribe to: Basic, Amplify, and Enterprise. While you get in touch with the Uscreen team for the Enterprise membership with your customized needs, the remaining 2 plans can be availed right on their website. While the basic plan is suitable for anyone who wants to get started with a video on demand platform, Amplify plan will be suitable for anyone who wants to live stream their videos. Their annual pricing gets started with basic plan at $49 per month, and Amplify plan starts $399 per month. Their monthly plan goes with basic plan starting at $99 per month, while Amplify plan starting at $499 per month. In addition to this pricing, you will be charged 50 cents for each subscriber. Uscreen offers more features than anyone else in the market. Every tool you'll need for offering an amazing streaming service is available at one place and within Uscreen. White label features to resonate with your brand. instant payment processing, and a transparent pricing. Uscreen does not charge users for bandwidth, streaming, or encoding your content and your audience. Export them to any platform anytime without any interruptions or barrier. Thousands of integrations available to manage your workflow. We hope we've covered all the popular features of Uscreen, but that's not everything, as the platform has got even more features hidden for you to explore and experience. You can get started with Uscreen with their 14-day free trial using the link in the description. See you in the next video.